How serious are the recent drone attacks hitting Moscow from Ukraine? These strikes reveal a surprising shift in warfare right at Russia's capital doorstep. The drone attacks on Moscow are unprecedented in scale and location. These unmanned aerial vehicles, launched from Ukrainian territory, have managed to bypass Russian air defenses to hit sensitive targets. While the attacks caused some damage to military installations and disrupted communications, civilian casualties have been minimal. This shows both the precision of the drones and the limits of current defense systems. The strikes also carry symbolic weight, shaking the sense of security in Russia's capital. Beyond physical damage, these drone attacks signal a strategic evolution by Ukraine. They demonstrate the increasing sophistication and range of Ukrainian drones, able to reach deep into Russian territory. This challenges Russia's ability to defend its airspace, especially around Moscow, a critical hub for command and control. It also forces Russia to divert resources to homeland defense, potentially weakening frontline operations. This shift could influence future conflict dynamics and escalate tensions. Hitting Moscow itself raises the stakes dramatically. Russia may view drone strikes on its capital as a direct provocation, risking escalation. There is a chance of retaliatory strikes or harsher military responses. This proximity to political power centers also raises concerns about civilian safety and infrastructure damage. The attacks could prompt Russia to accelerate offensive operations or impose stricter security measures internally. The recent drone attacks on Moscow are more than isolated strikes. They mark a new phase in the conflict with serious strategic and political implications. They expose vulnerabilities and could change how both sides fight this war. Stay curious and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.